Hi, my name is Anne-Louise and I work as a project manager in AgroBusiness Park in Denmark. AgroBusiness Park is part of the accelerator project called Catana. Catana supports startups and SMEs in the agri-food value chain. So if you have an idea concerning precision agriculture, functional foods or mobile services in the agri-food value chain, you should definitely apply for Catana. What do you get in Catana? You get continued support and service throughout the process to develop your idea. You get knowledge on crowdfunding and you get knowledge on investment readiness. And furthermore, you have the chance to win 100,000 euros to get your product on the market. How do you apply? It's very, very easy to apply for the Catana project. All you have to do is the same as we do right now. Shoot a 2-minute video where you pitch your idea and you upload it to the Catana website. You can read more about the conditions and so on the Catana website as well. Deadline is February 28th and all it takes is 2 minutes of your time and your idea, so why not do it? And please contact any of the Catana partners if you need support either to shoot the video or if you want to discuss your idea with us and see if it's applicable for the Catana project. So please feel free to contact us.